When you present yourself through your application, there are three main areas you are going to be evaluated on: your academics, your extracurriculars, and your motivation letter. For academics, you are basically showing them what you have done in school. Your extracurricular activities encompasses everything outside school, and your motivation letter is where you put both of them together to show that, okay, look, this is why you should accept me, and this is why I want you. These are the three main areas that a student is evaluated on. And if you can do a good job of putting these three areas together perfectly, I believe that you would have a great chance of getting any scholarship. Now, for academics, I believe students who already have a good academic record, transcript, are already on the lucky side. For students who have been performing just a little bit above average or average students, what you need to take are international exams. For undergraduate students, take the SAT. For postgraduate students, take the GRE. It is that simple. Yes, because what you're trying to show is that, look, my academic history has not been very good, but that does not define what I am capable of. To show you what I am capable of, this is a proof. So that is why you need to take the SAT or the GRE. So if you can get a high score in the SAT and the GRE, then you have made up for the not so good part in your academic history, which is your transcript. I hope that's good. Now let's move on to what is more important. In my opinion, the extracurriculars are more important. So for extracurriculars, we have volunteering, we have skills, we have competitions, we have social media, we have artificial intelligence, we have languages learned. So many things you can work on. In my opinion, LinkedIn is a good place to find people who are doing so well in different areas, who you can get motivation from. And trust me, within a month or two, there are so many things you can do. A full year is ahead of you. Number one was academics, number two is extracurricular activities, and number three is your motivation letter. At this point, it doesn't matter whether you are a top student or not a top student. What matters is the effort you have put into becoming the valuable person you want to be. Somebody who is able to give back to society, who is able to impact. This motivation letter or letter of intent or personal statement is where you write all of these things down. That is why it is important to start by defining that goal, that dream, or the impact you want to make in life. Then look at others who are already in that position. Then try to find the skills required to be able to get to that position. Then start learning those skills from now and making use of social media and AI or the internet to present yourself in a nice, comprehensible way. You can have a portfolio, you can have a website, or you can have a social media platform that is engaging or has enough followers so that you can show what you have and not just tell them that I did this, I did that, and you have nothing to show for them. You can be able to show them where everybody can access them. LinkedIn is a good one and I recommend it 100% for students. When you have all of these three things prepared in a good way, in a very nice format, you are able to change your mindset of applications from, oh, please grant me this scholarship because I really need it, to, look, I have something you would like to have and you have something I would like to have. It's now like give and take. It's now a win-win relationship. Within your own limited space, you have achieved so much that if you are given a place full of opportunities, you would achieve much more. So they'll be willing to invest in you so that eventually you can achieve your goals and become an ambassador for them as well. All right, I hope this helps and I wish you good luck with your applications this year. Don't forget to get the link from the description below to the 20 fully funded scholarships that I have handpicked. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.